Hi there, Carrie Westervelt Parker here. I'm in my kitchen today and we are going to make lactation cookies. So as you've been pregnant, you may have heard people say that you are eating for two, which as we know, that's not really true. You only need about 300 extra calories per day to sustain a healthy pregnancy. But once you give birth, if you choose to breastfeed your child, you truly will be feeding two people. You do need an extra 500 to 700 calories per day as a lactating mother. And so there are many foods that have been known to help increase your milk supply if you're having trouble with it. And today we're going to make some cookies that have 3 of those ingredients in there. These cookies, in addition to containing yummy stuff like butter and chocolate chips, also have rolled oats, brewer's yeast, and flaxseed meal. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Combine all your dry ingredients in one bowl. And whisk. Put in your butter and your coconut oil and cream until soft. You're going to add your dry ingredients 1 cup at a time. As it's mixing. And last but not least, those lovely chocolate chips. Now we put the cookies on the cookie sheet. This dough is pretty firm, so you can just roll it into little balls. Those chocolate chips are looking good. ready for the oven. The recipe says cook for 10 to 14 minutes. I'm going to do 12. So our cookies are out of the oven and they are ready to be transferred to our cooling dish. Don't forget to use a hot pad to hold the pan. Don't these look good? Our lactation cookies have turned out perfectly, full of chocolate chips, oatmeal, brewer's yeast, and flaxseed. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial of how to make lactation cookies. They are delicious, nutritious, and they'll help you feed your baby.